Ever wish WhatsApp messages would appear as chat bubbles on your Android just like Messenger? A lot of users, unaware this feature even exists or how to activate it. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable WhatsApp chat bubbles. Let's get started and turn on chat bubbles now. First, open up the Play Store. After that, tap on the search icon below, then type WA Bubble for Chat. Here you'll find an app called Bubble for Chat by GNG Dave. Install this app. After that, tap Open, then tap Next. Keep tapping Next until you see the Finish button. Now you need to give some permission to this app. So toggle on the overlay permission, mark the box to agree, then tap OK. Now toggle on the app from here, then go back. Now toggle on the notification access, mark the box to agree again, then tap OK. Now toggle on the tap again, then tap Allow. Now go back, tap Done, then tap Allow, and the settings are done. Now try to send a WhatsApp message here from another phone. And here it is. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.